Now let's take a look at mood management. Children often need help with adjusting and managing their mood because sometimes they really get themselves in a pickle, don't they? And they can't quite sort themselves out. So exercise can really help with this, and Pilates is really good at this too.
Exercise releases serotonin into the brain to improve mood and reduce anxiety. Pilates movements in particular are energising, calming and relaxing, non-competitive and fun. An activity that is totally inclusive and where everyone can achieve. Lots of our Pilates active blasts are done in the classroom, in and around chairs, so there's no need for big spaces, a PE kit or a mat. Children who are body conscious or anxious about exercise are more likely to participate in a short burst of activity like Pilates in the classroom. Here's a Pilates in the jungle activity that I'm sure all your little ones will really love.
Jungle, walking through the jungle. What can I see? What can I see? If I heard a noise, what could it be? What could it be? Oh well, I think I saw a lion. I think I saw a lion. I think I saw a lion. I think I saw a lion.